So hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can monitor the CPU temperature on your Windows PC in real time and display a live temperature reading down here in the bottom in the taskbar. So let's get to it. So first of all, open up a browser. I'm just going to open up Chrome and head over to this website, hwinfo.com. When you're there, click on free download. And then just look for the executable for your PC. This is a Windows 11 machine, so I need this one here on the left. So then just click on free download and click on a source local to you where you want to download it from. I'm using SourceForge, so this is going to download in a few seconds. Once that's downloaded, double click on it to install. Select your language. And then just run through the wizard, accept terms of the agreement, click next, choose a location, click next, and install. You can click this little icon to launch the program once you've finished installing, so we'll do that. Click finish, click on start. So once that's open, that's going to show you a great deal of information on your machine. We'll ignore most of that for now. I'm going to do some other videos on it. So let's just close this one out. And then the first thing you want to do is just click on this icon here, Sensors. Once the Sensors window is open, scroll down until you find your CPU. Here's mine. This is the Intel Core i5. The one you're looking for is this CPU package. So just left click on that and then right click, and then select add to tray, and then you'll see down the bottom here the temperature is already being displayed here in red. If you hover over that, that will show you the minimum, maximum and average temperatures and then the package temperature. If it doesn't show in there initially, it might be in the hidden icons folder, so you can just select and then drag that onto the taskbar. You can also customize that if you don't like it in red. So if you hover over it, right click and then say change color, I'm just going to choose black and then click OK. So there you've got it. In real time, you're going to see your CPU temperature shown. One thing you do need to do though is make a quick change on the program settings so that it boots up the hardware info package if you restart your computer. So just head up here to programs and settings, and then you want to make sure that you click auto start here and then click OK, and then just minimize. Don't exit, just minimize and leave that running in the background. And there you have it. Nice, simple way to see live real-time temperature of your Windows CPU. Hope that was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.